Ooh, man, it is one. Yeah, looks like the water cleared up a little bit. It's still bad. Oh, looks like I'm getting a call. Yeah, boss, what's up? Oh, oh, dear. Uh-huh. An old warship is sank. It's our job that we need to investigate, see what happened. Alright, boss, I'm heading out there now. Thanks for letting me know. Alright, talk to you later, bye. What's going on, guys? Chris Barber first here. Looks like we got an assignment tonight. Today we gotta go investigate a sunken warship. The old sunken haunted warship. So, yeah. Let's do it. It's the warship we had in last episode. So, and this thing is haunted, so we will have to be careful in what we do. So, let's get it. This is the sub we're taking out today. Whoa, that was weird. Huh. Okay, well, let's turn on some bottom work lights. The connectors, illuminate flare. Alright. We're ready. Cruise. Alright, let's go. An old warship. Alright. It's a little nasty out here, but definitely not what it was when I... We'll see if we can make this snappy. Coast Guard, I'm heading out. Okay, be advised. Keep safe out there. I'm looking. Probably want to fill some ballast. Right now, completely submerged. An old warship. Huh. That's pretty nasty. Pretty nasty out right now. Alright, alright, search for war. Coast Guard, I can't see the warship yet. We revise, keep looking. Nothing's popping up on my radar. Alright. Or, yeah, I still can't see that warship yet, Coast Guard. Keep looking. Wait a minute. What is that? That's gotta be the warship. Coast Guard, I think I found the warship. I'm diving. Coast Guard, I've reached the bottom. I've reached the bottom. What is that out there? That's gotta be that's gotta be our warship. Could potentially be our warship. Okay. Skin the ground. Draw out the skim. Well, folks, it is potentially our warship. It is potentially our warship that we are looking for. Oh yeah. Coast Guard, I'm getting closer and closer to this warship. Roger, we copy that. Maybe want to go a little faster. Coast Guard, I made it to I made it to the warship. Wow, she's a beaut, man. Alright, let's see if we can park this thing. She's straight vertical. Look at that, she's starting to rust. Alright. Alright, folks, I'm going right. We're keeping it right there. What's this thing doing? No, 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 no. You just crashed right into the ship. Something's wrong with this thing. Stay at the desired height. What is the issue with this? Park it on the ground. What is the issue with this thing? Ooh. Okay. Okay. So. Alright. Whatever. Alright, whatever. It's whatever it is. I don't know what's going on with this thing. This thing's acting a little crazy. I don't want to flood this, so I'm just going to use no clip. Whoa, folks. No, I forgot something. I forgot my equipment. Oh, I didn't think this out. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Just keep that there. We're going out. Folks. Bro, this is creepy. Okay. The door. Whoa, folks. This thing hasn't fully flooded yet. There's an air pocket in there. Whoa, look at that. This is the warship, bro. Okay, bro, this, how are the lights still working in here? Okay, this is fully flooded. Folks, this is crazy. How are the lights still working in here? Bro, this is crazy. Bro, this is so cool. You've never seen... Okay. Bro, this is gonna be... This is fully flooded. Bro, how did this thing flood? How did this thing sink? Oh. Oh. What is this? Folks, we might have found the conclusion on how this thing sank. And that is, I believe... How are the lights still working in here? That's crazy. These emergency hatches came open. We think Coast Guard. I think I found on how this the ship sank. The emergency hatches came open and let in a ton of water. Roger, we copy that. Any other clues you can find? So far, no paranormal activity we've had. That's kind of nice, I guess. Oh, this might be an issue. Here. We'll have to escape out this way. Bro. Come on. Why is it not letting me out of here? So, apparently, I don't know, guys. I might be stuck in here. Are we actually stuck in here? Alright. Okay. Alright, I opened that hatch. Because we had to let water in here. I can't believe this thing's not fully flooded yet. Oh, so close. folks. This ain't gonna work. I'm wasting a lot of battery like this on my flashlight. I see you. Hello? Who said that? Bro, the lights just turned off. That's creepy. Why are the lights turning on and off? Come on. I just barely touched it. Come on. Come on. Bro, this is so creepy, bro. The lights keep going on and off. I can almost get in there. Oh, folks. Bridge. Oh, the bridge is completely flooded. I think we came up with the conclusion on why this thing sank. The emergency hatches came out open, and yep. And it didn't leave the good stuff, so. What the heck? You guys hear that? A door opened. We're definitely not getting as much paranormal activity as we did the last time. Alright. It's flooded. Alright guys, I think it's time to get out of here. Let's get one look at the bow. Yep. This was it. Wow. Look at that, bro. Yep, there's the side of the ghost ship. Of the warship. Look at all the rust on it and all. It's creepy out here. It's creepy down here at night. Yeah, but that's what happened. These vents came open. Huh. Wait a minute. The ship just laid bottom. How did it just do that? Oh, this is so scary. This is spooky, guys. Should we go down? Bro, this is creepy. A creepy warship. That's the conclusion. I'm actually... even though I've been in the ship before, even though this is just Stormworks, I'm very freaked out of being here. This is very freaky. The lights keep going on and off. Why is that? Look, the lights keep going on and off. That's so creepy, bro. Alright, here's your flooded bridge. Alright. Just get on the sub and get out of here. I gotta say, that was pretty spooky. I've got to say that was pretty scary. Okay, folks. No. Alright, back it up. No. Why? Sometimes this thing can be a real... Alright, guys. We're going. Wow. Alright, folks. Well, there you go. I can't see the warship anymore. Let's see. Let's head back. Let's head back. Alright. Oh. I had cruise control on. That's what. Okay. I didn't know I had cruise control on. Anyways, we're back. Nah, you know what? I'm not worried about it. That was creepy. That might have been the creepiest underwater exploration we've ever done. Let's get out of this water. Systems, turn them back on. Let's drain these ballasts. We don't need them anymore. And yeah, folks. I was the old haunted warship. The old sunken haunted warship. So yeah, that was cool. But that was also very creepy at the same time. And at one point I heard a door close, which was very creepy. It's very creepy down at the bottom of the ocean at night. It really is. Especially with a haunted warship. Well, folks, in the meantime, we've made it out alive, and yeah, that's a plus in my book. Alright guys, we are about to pull into the port here at the Coast Guard base. And we're gonna pull in. It's really nasty. Alright. Alright. So now, guys, we know how the old warship sank. Emergency hatches came open. And the worksite doors then shut. So that's the conclusion on how that warship sank. Alright. A little bit further. Alright. Pulling in. I think we will call it good right about there. Return it to the bench, why not? Leave the waypoint. Anyways, guys, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode of Stormworks Build Rescue. Just leave that gear there. For if you guys want to call this ghost ship, yeah, I guess it is gonna ghost ship because it is a ghost ship that we went down to explore. So yeah, guys. Until next time. I guess we will see you guys next time on Stormworks. Thank you. Peace out, guys.